Okay guys, we're gonna be making some really quick and easy enclosures today. So I got these little 16-ounce cups off Amazon, and they have like the little round dome lid. So I thought that would be good so that they're not opening quite at the top, and hopefully they'll make their little nests up here. I did go ahead and poke holes. I poked a lot of holes in here and then around the top, kind of a quarter of the way down, and then down at the bottom, so that way it'll help with cross ventilation. I figured you should be opening this every day to mist anyway, so it should be fine. So I got some sticks outside that I cleaned, baked, disinfected, all that stuff. So we're gonna use those. I also bought some flowers. Which I got based upon the stickers I picked out. So all of this is from the dollar store, aside from the cup and the sticks. But the sticks, like I said, I found outside, so easy peasy. So I'm just kind of looking through my sticks. I got 4. I only need 2. And I tried to pick some that were kind of an interesting shape. I really like this one, but the end is kind of jacked up, so I'm just gonna cut it. And hopefully that works. Beautiful. Made a total freaking mess, but it worked. So that's all that matters. I'm gonna take some of the flowers off just so I can start making little arrangement. And this might be too much, but that's not a big deal. Sorry, we had to take a brief intermission there because I couldn't find glue sticks that would fit my glue gun. So we just bought a new glue gun. So hopefully now we can start. And before that dries, let's just make sure good to go with the cup. Lid. Yes. How cute. Okay, I'm gonna throw a little bit of the Repti Chip Baby Chip substrate in there. I thought maybe it would protect the glue a little bit. That's good. Now that we have that, we have our flowers. I'm gonna glue the leaf together on this part, just so they stay nice and not separated or anything crazy. This flower might be too big. Oh my god, it's massive in here. Whoops. I wanted to use like all of these, but I think maybe if we do like that is cute. I don't even think this needs to be glued on, honestly. Yeah. I don't even think it needs to be glued on. Maybe the flowers on the other side. I honestly feel like she's gonna need the space. Yeah, so I think that's all I'm gonna be able to fit in here, really. Just cause that looks pretty full to me. Pick which one should we use? I think maybe here. Oh shit, forgot about the cover the vent holes. Oh my gosh, how cute. Happy Haunting. And then it has like the little purple. You can put the lid on. Oops. How cute. They do have these little logs. Maybe we can put one in here too. So I made these little branches from the dollar store. Also, I got a whole big bag of these, and then I had the magnets from the previous Enclosure. So let's see which one of these would suit her. I was kind of thinking this one, like up here. I don't know if I should put a little skinny one or something. Everything, oh my god, I think it's so cute. So we have another one to make. So I also got these stickers and these flowers to kind of go with it. Now that I know these flowers are just way too freaking big, I'm gonna probably just use the tiny little ones. That's fine. I really like this one, but I don't think even that's gonna fit. Like, I think it's gonna have to be cut down so much, and I really don't want to do that because I like the V. So maybe we'll just use like a plain stick off to the side. That would be cool. The cups are for breeding purposes, meaning they're not gonna stay in these long because I'm just gonna continually, continually put them in like different enclosures as they lay the eggs and stuff. So we'll end up making more of these. Taking the Repti chip, baby chip. And for these, I would really like to keep the stems and everything. I wonder if we should glue them to the stick. Like, is that cute? I should have probably did that before I put it in here, because that would have made the most sense, right? Obviously, yes, of course that would have made the most sense. Anyway, maybe we'll do like a background moment with them. I don't know if I should like glue these together first or make like a little collage and then put that. So I've got those two. We have two left. So I don't know if I should put like another one here and then like another one lower. That might be cute. Maybe we could put a flower in the bottom. Like, that would be cute too. Let's check out how this is doing. That's a little annoying, but it's fine. So cute. That's cute, like a little bundle. Big poofy flowers to go with it. So maybe we could put like this little one on the bottom. That would be like really cute. Like that to kind of fill in the space. Cute. Alright, so we learned our lesson with this. We're gonna put this on the top. So let's see with the stickers. All right, so we have the stickers. So these are the stickers we have. The pumpkins, the bats. I love the 3D. I might use this 3 pumpkin one. Yeah, sorry, no self-control. So if you're looking straight on, where would this look the cutest at? Maybe right there. Off to the side a little bit. Yes. Oh my gosh, how stinking cute. And then maybe we'll put a little spider over there. To her. Oh my god, stop. The cutest. Right, and again, we're gonna put this guy straight on the lid. I'm like scared to break it. It's plastic, relax. Okay. How stinking cute. I can't even take it. Oh my goodness.